Hello YouTube. I wanted to share something with you guys that I found pretty interesting. I was taking apart a 900 megahertz radio antenna, and these two plates are inside of the casing. They weren't attached to any of the circuitry, they were just off to the side. But I took them out and I started messing with them with the neodymiums. And we've seen how on aluminum, I guess you could call it like a resistance effect, where the neodymium would slide down the aluminum a little slower than like a regular piece of metal does. But with these right here, you can see that they stick to the metal pretty hard. But what I found interesting was the back sides of them. There seems to be very little or no magnetic force to the back of it. Now the sides of these get to be a little more magnetic, and the tops of them, of course, will get stuck together. Oop, one second. I just found it interesting that the backs of them, where the magnetism wasn't going through that. I know on a piece of aluminum it would go through. So yeah, you guys that are working on sustainable energy, I think this would probably be a benefit or a perk if you could shield the one side of the magnet with a piece of stainless steel. It's lightweight, it's thin, and then you could only have draw to one side. So it's kind of making the magnet act like a monopole magnet, which it doesn't. It's not a monopole magnet, but it definitely blocks the back side of that. So, alright, thanks for watching YouTube.